By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to use video sales letters to sell any digital product or service. And you'll learn the one page you must add to your sales funnel if you want to be highly profitable. Now, if you've been struggling to sell your products online because you just don't know how to build a sales funnel, well, I got you, because I have free sales funnel templates library with tons of sales funnels. I'm building them out continuously. And I recently just added this one right here, the sample to subscription funnel. It's a 5-step funnel. It even includes a video. I also recorded videos for these other free templates as well. Now, if you want access to this templates library, click the link in my description and fill out the form. I could also give you access to my brand new online reputation management software. Now, this software basically collects reviews and it shows off your reviews on your sales funnels and website. All right, now this review management platform is basically needed for local businesses, brick and mortar businesses, coaches, consultants, any business that is looking to sell more products and services. A lot of people look at reviews, right? So you need this software to show off your reviews. Now, right now, it's $97 per month, but I could generate a custom discount code for you where you can use this completely free, right? Now, aside from that, I'll also give you access to sign up to this 10-day challenge where you'll learn how to launch your own online business. You'll learn how to create your offer so you know exactly what to sell, how to build your funnel, how to sell your product, and how to drive traffic to your sales funnel so you can finally start making money online. Okay, so when it comes to video sales letters that sell like crazy, this is how the video sales letter funnel starts. Okay, so the first step is the video sales page. So this is where everyone lands on your sales funnel, the first step. So on this page, obviously there's a video on there, right? So there's a main headline, sub-headline, the video where you are selling your digital product or service. And the other important thing you need to add is the this right here, blue call to action button, which basically people would click on if they want to purchase your digital product or service. Now, when they click on that, they go to step 2, which is the order confirmation page. Okay, so they would fill out this form to submit their credit card information to purchase your product. Now, the one additional page that you need to add if you want to become highly profitable is step 3, the upsell page, right? A lot of you might not know that you should be adding an upsell page after the order form page. Many times people think that, okay, step 1 and step 2, you're good, you sold your product, you're all set. But actually, if you want to become highly profitable, you need to sell something at the back end. Now, one thing to note is that the upsell page, you're selling another product, all right? But that product needs to be similar, but it needs to scratch another itch that's associated with your main offer. So say, for example, maybe your main offer, you are selling how to do web design, okay? It's a course on web design. So the upsell page would sell another product that would solve a issue that your original product would create. So if someone learns how to build websites, the question that they might have is, okay, how do I sell my services, right? So that's another new problem that they have. So your upsell page could be maybe a sales course, how to sell web design services. So they go hand in hand, okay? So make sure your product scratches a new itch or solves a new problem that your original offer would create. And then on this the fourth step is the confirmation page. So the thank you page. So you thank them for ordering, you provide them with information about how to access their products, and so on and so forth. Okay, so pretty simple for the confirmation page. Now, there are tons of templates that you can use. There's a variety of templates that ClickFunnels provides. I personally like this purple one. Let me preview this one for you. So this is the first step, right? So you have your main headline here, some eyebrow text here with your video that you would use to sell your product, and then the main call to action. Okay, now if you want to use this template, just click on Add to My Account and let me access the backend right now. Okay, so this video sales letter funnel is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 steps. Now, if I click on edit, we can edit each page of our sales funnel using the ClickFunnels drag and drop editor. Now, it's very simple to edit. So if you want to change your text, just click on it and just add any text you want. All right, something like this looks great, right? Launch your own web design business in 2024. And this is the video sales letter that you would upload. Now for this video, you could basically just upload a YouTube link. Okay, you add it right here. And then you can change any settings like autoplay, block the pause of the video if you want, so on and so forth. And this is your call to action, right? Now for the call to action, if they click on this, they would go to the second step. Now, one thing you should be adding is your offer stack, which is basically a stack of products that are associated with your main offer. So this is your core offer. So you have your main product here and all of these bonuses that you would attach to your main product. And then you can have screenshots of all of the things that come from your main offer. And then there's another call to action here. You can add a money back guarantee if you want. And then for step 2, this is the order confirmation page. And it starts off by saying finish signing up below. It has an image, and this is the form that they would need to fill out to complete the order. All right. And then the most important page, or the second most important page, would be the one-time offer page. This is the upsell page. Okay. And I really like how they have this bar here. And it says, wait, your order may not be complete yet. Step 2 of 3, don't click back or it may cause multiple charges on your card. And it says, please watch this special message concerning your order. Okay, so you can change this to whatever you want. You can add anything you want like this. Add a video that sells your one-time offer, your upsell. And you can change your text here and list out all of what your offer will provide. And this form would be automatically populated because they already filled out the initial order form, and then they would click submit. Now, they don't need to purchase this. If they don't want to purchase this, they would just click on this link here where it says, no thanks, I'm declining this offer. I understand that this is a one-time special offer and is not available anywhere outside of this page. By clicking this link, I'm refusing this offer and giving it to the next person in line. Okay, so I would recommend keeping this as is. Okay, you of course could change out this name here, but keep this because it tells people that, hey, if you click on this, you won't be getting this offer anytime soon. All right, and then on the last page, this is the thank you page, the confirmation page. So you can add a video here to thank them as well. You don't need to. So you would just have information about how to access the products that they purchase. All right, so if you want to take a look at the live pages, this is step 1, and this is the order form and the one-time offer. Okay, so you have your video here, information about the one-time offer, the upsell. If they want it, they would click submit. If not, they would click on this small text here, and then they would go to the order confirmation page. Okay, so this is a 4-step video sales letter sales funnel that you can use to sell any digital product you have. Now, if you want access to additional templates that I personally have created that you can use for any type of business, click the link in my description, fill out the form to get access to my sales funnel templates library. I'm continuously updating this as I build out more sales funnels. And if you want access, click the link in my description. Let me know if you like this video by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel, and if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. With that said, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.